Hello children, welcome to my channel Laxman Telugu tutorial. Children, ఈ వీడియోలో మనము భగవద్గీతను ఎవరు చదవాలి అనే విషయం గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. Who should read the Bhagavad Gita? The young to learn how to live. The old to know how to die. The ignorant for wisdom. The learned for humility. The rich for compassion. The dreamer for enchantment. The practical for counsel. The weak for strength. The strong for direction. The humble for exaltation. The weary for rest. The troubled for peace. The doubting for assurance. The sinner for salvation. The seeker for moksha. The human for guidance.